Hi, I'm Alix Paultre, Editorial Director of the Advantage Design Group. That's electronic component news, wireless design and development, and medical design technology magazines. And I'm here again at the Boston Embedded Systems Conference with Microchip, a friend of the show, and one of our contributors over the years, and we always try to put together something to talk about what they're doing at the event. And today I've got Dave Richkas. He's with their 32-bit group, and we're going to talk about some of the things that are going on in the microcontroller space in the 32-bit space. Obviously, there are still plenty of things going on in the 8 and 16-bit, and we'll have some of those as well. But for now, we'll look at where the 32-bits are going and some of the new things that Microchip is doing for the engineering community. So, hey, Dave.
How are you?
We're here at ESC.
Yep.
What do you have here that you're going to talk to us about today?
Well, we have a new series of PIC32 coming out. Over the years, we've launched our PIC32 MX3 and MX4, and customers asked for more memory. They wanted more features. But we also have customers at the lower end wanting, smaller devices with lower memory and some cool new features, things for audio and capacitive sensing. Touch.
There you go. That makes a lot of sense. Now, is this something that you're enticing people to come into 32-bit? Or is this something that is for 32-bit engineers that just gives them more flexibility and more options in their selection?
Exactly, Alex. It's for customers who need that 32-bit performance, but they need a smaller size, or maybe they want to offer an audio feature. So now they can offer that with a 32-bit microcontroller.
So it's not just a smaller microcontroller; it also has additional peripheral functionality added to it.
Indeed, yeah.
Beyond the audio, what are the other additional functionalities that you've embedded?
Well, we've included our charge time measurement unit, which is good for ultrasonic sensing. You can sense gas and liquid flow through a pipe. It's also a perfect fit for capacitive touch buttons. We have a 10-bit analog to digital converter.
Analog to digital converter, yes.
13 channels of ADC sensing. Let's see, an additional analog compare. So previous PIC32s had 2, now we have 3 analog compare options. Peripheral pin select is also new for PIC32, and this gives you the flexibility to take any digital I/O and reroute it to any other pin. So it can reduce the number of layers in a PCB, for example, save some time to market.
Well, and there's an issue there, because the more complex the device, the more risk you have of having to add a layer to your board to deal with the pinout. So having the flexibility in the pinout, yeah, I would imagine it would give you a lot of flexibility in your board layout.
Yeah, there's one more thing also. It has a parallel master port, an 8-bit parallel port, which is perfect for interfacing to small LCD screens.
Excellent. And so this is really thought of as a way to not only provide the processing power, but also the core functionalities for the device, so you don't have to import functionalities in secondary chips, for example.
Exactly.
Excellent. Now, I see you've got something there, a little out of the view of the readers, the viewers, but what's that?
Okay, this is our PIC32 MX1, MX2 starter kit. And what you have here, you have a built-in PIC-Kit3 debugger programmer. It's powered and connected to the PC via USB, SD card, micro SD card. And this one's configured as like a basic music player. So you have M-Touch slider functionality.
Right, and the M-Touch is a technology that you've had for a while now. You've been incorporating in more and more of your devices.
Exactly, yeah. It's a nice capacitive touch, really nice solution for customers. You have I2S audio here. We're utilizing a Wolfson codec, provide up to 24-bit audio quality, and some basic buttons and very nice LCD screen. Very nice.
So, and that's the nice thing about the kit, is that it's completely self-contained. A lot of these kits you have to have an external display, or you have to have some other, they've got the basic circuit functionality, but they don't show the full peripheral functionality, and I do like the fact that you've got a display integrated into that, so that way you could literally build a product on the system.
If someone wanted to get started with human-machine interface, you've got display, you've got touch, you've got audio, and your built-in debugger, and you just go to microchip.com, download your free copy of MP Lab, and you're up and developing.
See, and that's one of the things that I've been really interested in. One of the things that I think the audience is also interested in are the aspects of taking these advanced functionalities and putting them into a kit form so that any engineer can turn around and create a design in a very short space of time. Because, I mean, our community out there, they can create these things, but the speed, the timeliness, the cost effectiveness, the fact that they can turn around and get this type of support, I think is very, very important.
That's very important for us at Microchip, yeah.
So, Are there other kits as well? Is this the only kit for that? I'm imagining there's some other things.
Yeah, for our customers who have invested in our Explorer 16 platform, we offer a plug-in module for that platform. For customers who really want to focus on implementing touch buttons, capacitive touch buttons in their solution, we have a CTMU demo board. So there they can plug in various CTMU button and slider boards and begin working with touch.
Very nice, very nice. So now, let's say we're in an elevator. Give us the classic elevator pitch. Give me a couple of sentences why I should be going with the Microchip solution as opposed to brand X.
Sure. You stack this up against any competitor's part, and you'll see that there's features: 61 DMIPS of performance, CTMU, I2S, the ability to drive a basic screen, 32K of flash, 8K of RAM. It's a really nice complete feature set. Comes in at $1.59 and 10K quantities.
Not bad, not bad. So, summary, 61 DMIPS. Smallest presented, it's currently presented to the smallest.
5mm packages. Yeah.
5mm package. Tool set.
Yep, great tool set to get started.
Efficient power operation?
Yeah, about 400 microamps.
Very nice.
When you do the math, it comes out very efficient, milliamps per DMIP.
Very good. Anything else you wanted to leave us with on the device?
No, that's it.
Where can we go for more information?
Go to microchip.com/pick32.
Excellent. Well, hey, Dave, I really want to thank you very much for taking the time to be with us. I know the show is really busy. There's a lot of cool stuff out here, and I'm glad that we got a chance to see what you guys are offering.
Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, the pleasure is mine. Thanks for taking the time to be with us.